But for real, check out this van. Just got converted to natural gas. Look at this. It's legit. I just got the cylinder. It's the CNG placement. Look at that. Nice. Let's go see under hood. Check it out. Got your AFCOM right there, alternative fuel control module, your fuel assembly. Nice, very nice. Just got the switch and the fuel gauge. Okay, you got your switch right here, got your fuel gauge right here. Let me see if it's been reflashed. Let me see. Yep, there you go. It's reflashed. Look at that. It's empty though. Nice. Fuel fill right here. And let's do one more last view. Let's check it out from this angle. Look at that. And of course we're going to have a cover that goes over it. Got your vent, got your hose. Nice, very nice. These transit assemblies. Wow. Are you doing the transit assemblies or the F-150?
F-150.
F-150 assemblies? Nice. We got a lot of transits coming in, right? Is that what all these assemblies for? Oh, here's some more.
This is for 250.
250? Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. And that's all the transit stuff, right?
I believe yes.
Cool. Look at that. Alright. Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day, because I sure am. Today's vlog, we are going to work on my Z. I'm gonna bring it in and park it after I move this truck. Park it right there, put on some jacks, and I wanna do my rotor job. I want to turn the rotors because I told you I have this noise, which it's nothing major. I'm not gonna go drive it and show you the noise. I'm just gonna explain it to you. It is basically, it seems like there's something stuck between the brake pedal, or not brake pedal, brake pad and the rotor itself, like a slight little grinding noise. Not like a major grind like metal against metal, but something that seems like it touches on and off, just like me explaining things. But anyway, I'm gonna get right to it, so let's go ahead and move this truck and get into the Z project. We have Mr. Orest here. What's up, Orest?
What's up?
Enjoying your day?
Yeah.
You look excited. Slow down with the excitement. All right. Well, see you later. So check it. I have my Z inside. I want to show you one more thing real quick regarding the cold air intakes. So check this out right here. I ended up bolting down this little bracket right here. So this one turned out pretty nice now. See that? Now I just got to figure out how to get this one onto this bolt right here. So obviously I have to turn it a little bit, or I might have to switch places, switch them, put this one back there and that one back here. But this one mounts perfectly over here. I might just end up making a little bracket that I could use. There'll be nice mounting area for it right here. We'll see. Okay, that's that. Now, let's jack up the car. Nice. Notice that I still have a spacer here, so gotta remove that too. I think that's 3/4. Yep. See if I can just remove it with this. Yep, 1, 2, 2, 3. That's off. Oh man, it's a little tight. Nice. So let me release the e-brake. So here we go. We got this side removed and we have this side removed. Man, I love these brakes. These brakes are actually awesome. Very nice brakes. The rotors look pretty good, but once again, I'm hoping this is gonna fix the little scrubbing issue. Because remember, the front ones were warped. We had to get those grinded, get those turned. Let's check it out. See, while we're here, let's look at the exhaust. See the catback, how it goes? See that? And that's when I say I have a custom catback, that's what it is. Then I got a muffler delete right there. That's why it sounds the way it sounds. Let me see if I can find what brand these are while I'm here. Doesn't say anything. Okay, let's get started on the brake job. The tools I'll be using for this job: needle nose pliers, 3/8 ratchet with a 19mm deep socket, 19mm wrench, hammer, and a picking tool, or a, what would you call it? A punch tool. There you go. We're gonna remove the brake pads or the brake caliper, and then remove this disc real quick. So it should be fairly quick. Let's first set up our light. Okay, let's punch out these little studs here. And remember, there is a little pick here. Not a pick, but this right here. Don't forget to take that out, because some people knock the studs out without removing them, and I've done that in the past. So make sure you get them out. And boom. So once again, don't forget to remove these little clips out. Okay, once that's out, very easily we go in here. 1, 2. Press this in. 1, 2. Remove this. Get your needle nose pliers. Okay. Oh, it's not that easy. See, maybe this might be the issue why I'm having so much problems with the scraping noise. Definitely doesn't want to come out easily. Why are you not coming out? Okay, well, anyway, let's leave that alone. Let's go and remove the bolts in the back. There's 2 bolts. Oh, it's pretty hard. Let's take it this way. Let's get a torque wrench. There we go. Okay, got it. Yeah, it's pretty tight in there. Might want to use a torque wrench. That's what I did to loosen that one up. There we go. Once you got it, it's so simple. It's so easy. Just comes out. I love these brake pads. I like the way you can work with them, or these brake calipers and this whole brake assembly. It's very awesome. Very strong braking system, that's for sure. That's a high five for Nissan. Make sure you turn in the right way. I always get confused. Where is it? So we gotta go this way right here. We're gonna go that way, so we're gonna knock it out a little bit. Boom. And that's out. Very nice. Excellent. Remove them. Okay. They came out easily. They're not bad. I mean, they're pretty much still got about a little bit over than about 3/16 maybe on here. It's not the best, but by the time to remove them, by the time to replace them. Now, let's see how easy. Let's put this right here. Now let's see how easy this is gonna come out. Oh, very easy. Nice. Okay, this is nice. There you go. That's removed. I gotta figure out. Hold on a second, guys. One more thing I want to show you. Look at these dirty gloves. Okay. I want to figure out how to adjust the e-brake. So I see you have to turn something with this, but I want to research real quick and see how we can readjust this and maybe even replace these, because these look pretty worn too. So this project might go into a little longer. It might be a little longer than just one vlog. So let me go ahead and take these, get these grinded and get some, or get these churned and get some brake pads, probably get some e-brake pads too. So I wonder how you replace them. This might be a little bit of a challenge here, but they need to be done because they might be the ones that are making the noise. I'm gonna end this vlog today here. I'm about to go to Auto Parts and get them churned. I think they're like 12 bucks each, as we did for the front ones. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm glad that I got this bracket for the air intake. I kept saying intake manifold last video and I caught it after I released the video. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm gonna mess with these again, try to get them to work properly. And then I do have some downpipes that I showed you a while back. I'm gonna probably install them while I have the car on the jacks stands and see how my car is gonna sound, how different it's gonna be. See a lot how different it's gonna be. However, that's how you remove them, the rear rotors and brake pads. And tomorrow's vlog, we'll go ahead and see how we can change out or try to figure out how to change the e-brake, emergency brake pads, and put on the new fresh churned rotors and fresh rear brake pads. I think that sounded okay. Alright guys, you guys have a good evening. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to keep them nice and short and smooth. We'll continue to work on this bad boy tomorrow. I always say bad boy. We'll continue to work on the Z370 tomorrow. Have a good evening, everyone. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.